Hey, hello boss, bring me 20 skewers of rice chicken, 4 skewers of large squid, 10 skewers of squid whiskers, 2 handfuls of spiced veal, chicken skin and chicken heart, take 2 ham sausages and 2 rice cakes each, 2 chicken thighs and 2 strings of enoki mushrooms. Do you have radish silk cakes? Sit here, just take 2 screws radish cake. How much is it together, boss? Hey, take a good look at this scene, no one loves it. Really fragrant. How much is it together, boss? Take 30, you on 30. Squid 70. 26 over 8 south, earn another $6 plus $6 plus $6. Add this $10. Now to for 10 yuan, now to for 9 yuan. 28 yuan for 5 minutes. 270 for hello. Okay, thank you. Okay, I paid for it, boss. Thank you. Hey, no, don't panic. I am just me, just a people. This is just enough to eat up. Boss, I'll take a piece and eat it first. I can't help it. Get yourself some ingredients and sprinkle a little chili powder, oh my god. Wow, Juxiang. This hand is a black chicken. Steam another piece. Sprinkle of small peppers. A spoonful of sweet sauce, oh my god. Perfect taste. You sprinkle the chili powder. Can I brush it myself? Oh well, brush some sweet sauce yourself. Really thick oil to eat sauce. Great or not. Just look at this little swallow. Okay, thank you. Whoops, a big bagful. Oh my god, this is so lame, let's go. Bought a lot of it, who can resist it? Find a place. Eat. Damn, this place is properly prepared for me. Oh my god, look at me. At this moment, I'm the prettiest boy on the road. Hey, it's coming soon. I asked you to pick up the courier when you came just now. Where did you put it? Must be whole rice chicken. You should think, sitting on the street, the happiness of eating such a donkey meat? Invincible. That's called a satisfaction. The meat is really thick. This sizzling tenderloin. Absolute memory kill. No one can bear to see this scene. Really invincible egg. Oh, and this sweet sauce covered my god. Yes. No fish must be wrapped in this sweet sauce. Oh my god. Wow. Super cool. Really, the joy of childhood was found by me at this moment. Absolutely true. When you eat this donkey meat, absolutely happy to take off. Whether it tastes or feels. Invincible in one hand. Yes. Be sure to add sweet sauce. Steamer, see you tomorrow. Very soft. Two veal skewers are 30 yuan. Take a bite first. Big squid is 12 yuan a bunch. This whisker tastes the best. Yes. Crispy bullet. It's all rolled together. I think squid whiskers should taste better. Squid whiskers. $7 a bunch. Not long enough. Well, that's right. Must taste. Wow, it has to be this. This is also called jam. The taste after the jam is the most perfect. Lemon is sweet sauce brush. The taste is improved several times. Wow, just invincible. Ouch, I go. Chicken hearts are 5 yuan a bunch. Wow. Chicken hearts should be thick, very tender and fragrant. HMM chicken skin. 3 yuan a bunch. Wow. So fragrant. Neuropathy. Ham sausage seems to be 5 yuan a piece. HMM starch sausage. Eating too much meat. Stop eating starch. Rice cakes are 3 yuan each. The only disadvantage is that I forgot to put the sky-high price. What a pity! Wow, the texture of this rice cake is quite good. Crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, but too bad no sweet sauce. If you put sweet sauce, the taste of this rice cake definitely lacks a good year. Everyone remember to put more sweet sauce when eating rice cakes. Wild sweet sauce can be wrapped on both sides. Radish cake. For bucks each. Agreed to eat. Radish cake this. The shape, like an insole, take a bite. Yes. Pack and take home. Crispy chicken thighs. $10 each, wow. Look at this little crispy. Wow. Giant crisp. For me, this chicken leg tastes a little lighter. But the best of the game is this. Brush the tenderloin with sweet sauce. Invincible existence. Well, take all the last bite. The rest can only be packed and taken home. I can't eat anymore.